how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. So I know I've been kind of MIA for a while, but I moved to another city. I got a new apartment and everything, so I was just like settling in and getting all things ready and also starting my new job. So yeah, it was a lot, but I'm back here, and in today's video I'm gonna do kind of like a review and like first impressions of the tape Busties. I already put everything in this cute little bag that they gave me, but we're gonna try to use it. I'll show you guys the way that I use it and what I think about the tape, if it's easy, all that kind of stuff. So if you're looking for some boob tape, I'll show you guys this, and maybe this will be your new favorite. But yeah, I hope that you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I don't know if there's that much echo or noise. I'm trying to figure out this setup. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So like I said, I already put everything into this little bag, but I'll show you guys everything that this includes. Comes with the actual boob tape. It's like a big roll, so you can use it a couple of times. Then it comes with some nipple pads, like this kind of like gel pads, but I'm actually gonna use the ones I already have that were mine, just so I don't waste the other ones, and I'm sure it works exactly the same. And then it has this small patch, and this is to do like a test and see if you get any kind of rash or like discomfort from this kind of tape, so you test it before using it. And other nipple covers. They also include like an instruction pamphlet to tell you how to use it and like the different ways to apply it and all that, which I think is kind of useful, especially for people like me that had never used anything like this. So yeah, I usually like never, well not never, but I usually don't wear a bra. Like shirts like this, I just go braless, because I don't like to have a bra that will be showing. And for the kind of shirts, I just think it's a little bit more comfy. But sometimes you want to have your boobs look more like that, because I have small boobs, so this helps with that. But yeah, let's start up. First thing that you gotta do is put your nipple covers, so I'm gonna do that off camera. So this is what my boobs look like right now. Like, yeah, as you can see, like some cleavage, but not that much. And then from the side, like you can't really see much. Don't have that much boobs, so we'll see how it looks like with this tape and everything. So there are different ways of using it. If you want them to look a lot more round, you usually like tape it like this. If you want them to show like more cleavage, like more together, then you would tape it like across like that. If you just want to lift them, you do it from here and then stretch it. So yeah, and I really like that it has like dotted line, or like, I don't know, like this kind of lines in the back, so you can guide yourself. So I'm gonna grab some scissors and start doing it. So for this shirt, I need to be very careful because I have like this opened up, so I can't really like be crossing a lot because you're gonna see the tape. So I think I'm gonna start by like lifting them up a little bit. Probably use like this much of tape. We'll see, because I think this tape also stretches, so that's very good. And I'll do all this process off camera, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, so final thoughts on this. Honestly, I feel like it didn't change that much. Like, especially because this type of shirt, like I couldn't really like go across to like put them together, because like you would see it, and like I kind of went in like that. From the side, like it just makes them like a little bit more round. For this side, I used 3 sections of tape, and then for this one I used 2. So basically what I did was like do one of this like that to kind of like lift them up, and then one kind of like across, and then for this one just 2 that were going up, and it covered everything. You have to be super careful, because like otherwise you would be able to see it like on this side, but honestly like not bad. The thing about this is that you don't really have to use that much because it stretches. So especially if you're like lifting it up, like you can do here and then stretch to lift your boob, and it would be really good. But I don't know if I would spend all the money on this kind of tape. Maybe if you have a lot more boobs, like it would be perfect for you. For me, I don't have that many boobs, so It is kind of like okay. I feel like it does like add a little bit more cleavage and like it does make my boobs round. But I feel like I would give it like a 9 out of 10, 8.5. I think it would be really good for like strapless dresses, or if you have like a fancy dinner or something like that for a dress, then it would be good to use this kind of tape instead of a bra. And if you want to get it, you guys can use the discount code Busties15. It came on this pamphlet. I don't know how many discounts you can use with this, but you guys can try it out and get it. I'll give you guys the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. If you guys have tried this one, let me know what your thoughts are. I'm like iffy about it. Like I do kind of like it. Like I feel like I would use it, but you definitely need to practice and know how to use this kind of tape and what kind of style you want to do. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what other kind of boob tips you would like to use, or which ones you would want me to give you a review on. But yeah, I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Bye guys!